Good morning, all of you. Have a nice day. Today I am going to introduce about the importance of writing for class 12 level. That is writing a skill. This writing a skill is an important part of education, and this is one of the best writing skills. And every student must know how to write clearly, how to write correct, and how to express our own ideas through writing. That's why everyone must have writing skill. Today I would like to focus what is the importance of writing. I would like to quote Bacon. Bacon was a great educationist, philosopher, who has said about the importance of writing skill. That is, writing makes a man perfect. Writing makes a man perfect. Means, in Hindi, I would like to say, according to Bacon, writing makes a man perfect. लिखना मनुष्य को पूर्ण बनाता है. यदि आप लिखने की कला आप में है, लिखने की कला आप जानते हैं, तो आप अपनी भावना को, आप अपनी कहानियों को, अपनी जो व्यक्ति है उसका उद्गार लिखने के माध्यम से कर सकते हैं. इसलिए राइटिंग टास्क हैज बीन गिवन मोर इम्पोर्टेंस इन एजुकेशन. एवरी एग्जाम इज कंडक्टेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ राइटिंग. जब भी आप कभी परीक्षा में जाएंगे, आईएएस तक की परीक्षा हो, कोई भी परीक्षा हो, तो आप देखेंगे आपको लिखना पड़ता है. हम लोग जो एनुअल एग्जाम देते, लिखने की क्षमता है वो हमारे राइटिंग स्किल पर निर्भर करती है. जिनका ज्यादा राइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस होगा, जिसके राइटिंग बेहतरीन होंगे, वो छात्र उतना ही ज्यादा अंक भी पाते हैं और अपने एग्जामिनर जो कॉपी जांच करता है, आप उसको अपनी ओर मोड़ भी सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई राइटिंग हैज ग्रेट इंपॉर्टेंस इन education, and we should keep our handwriting clearly and very motivational, so that we can attract the examiner and we can ensure good marks. Now I would like to writing letter. In 12th class, writing letter includes 10 marks. 2 questions will be from writing a skill for letter. That's why one you have to write in one and you can ensure 10 marks. Now I would like to focus on the types of letter. Now I am going to write about types of letter. This is very important. Type of letters. Now we can write, there are 5 kinds of letter writing. First one, there are 5 kinds of writing letters. That first one, personal letter. First one is nothing but personal letter. Next, anyone can say? Next, official letter. Very good. Official letter. Next, we can say letter to the editor. This is very important for exam purpose. Letter to the editor. Next, we can say business letter. This is also very important for us. And at last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we are able to write all these letters, now one have been left. That is nothing but job letter. One, two, three, four, 5. Now I would like to make summary. Writing letter is an important task of education, your writing skill must be bold and must be clear so that you can express your ideas through writing. There are 5 kinds of letter up to the level 10+2, and from these types, question will be asked in the exam. Personal letter, official letter, letter to the editor, business letter, and job letter. There are 5 kinds of writing letters. Now I would like to say about there are 2 types of letter writing. These are 5. ये सभी 5 प्रकार के लेटर हैं. इनको हम सभी सिर्फ 2 कैटेगरी में हम लोग कैटेगराइज इसको कर सकते हैं. आइए देखते हैं कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं. कौन से हैं? आप सभी इसे जानने का प्रयास करेंगे और घर में रिहर्सल करेंगे. लेटर. Now we can frame letter into 2 parts only. We can say there are 2 kinds of letter. First one formal letter. This is formal letter, which includes official letter, letter to the principal, letter to the minister, etc., etc. And this is very important, and from this question will be raised for you all. That's why you must undergo formal letter once. Next, second one, just I read informal letter, which includes personal letter, letter to mother, letter to father, letter to friend, letter to anybody else where you want to write. That's come under informal letter. Now I would like to make summary of this. Already you know that writing makes the man perfect with the word of Bacon. Now letter are of 2 types. They are nothing but formal letter. Keep in mind, formal letter, informal letter. There are 2 kinds. But if you want to express all letters, then there are 5 kinds of letters which I have taught you earlier, and I hope you will keep in your mind. Now I would like to give some examples. This is very important. And how to write letter. This is the main task. How to present or how to write a letter in better way so that we can ensure the highest marks in the exam. Please wait for next video. Just I am going to say how to write, how to present a good letter in better way. Thank you. See you again. Good morning. Have a nice day. Today I am going to introduce how to present or how to write a letter in better way. That is with friend. Letter writing. At first, before going to write letter or present letter, you should keep some points in mind so that you can ensure good marks. You can write easily and without any error. You can write complete letter in better way. Please keep in mind the following word. First one, know the subject matter. Know the subject matter. इसको हिंदी में भी हम लोग समझने का प्रयास करें. लेटर राइटिंग, जैसे ही आप प्रश्न को पढ़ेंगे सबसे पहले नो द सब्जेक्ट मैटर पूरा रीड आउट करेंगे तो आपको उसे एक सब्जेक्ट पता चल जाएगा, विषय वस्तु की किस पर लिखना है. What is the subject matter on which we have to write later? This is the first step. Second one, follow certain rules. देखेंगे follow certain rules. इसमें क्या है कि आपको जो विशेष तौर तरीके जो बनाए गए हैं पैटर्न, उसको आप अनुसरण करेंगे। जैसे डे, whom are you going to write, जिसको लिखना चाह रहे हैं, लिखित सारी बातें हम आपको बताने का प्रयास करेंगे। राइट क्लियरली, दिस इज द मेन थिंग, राइट क्लियरली। आप जब भी लिखें साफ साफ लिखेंगे ताकि रीडर कैन अंडरस्टैंड योर लैंग्वेज, योर फीलिंग्स, योर आइडियाज। आपकी जो विचार है डोंट यूज लैटिन वर्ड्स, लैटिन वर्ड्स। हम लोग थोड़ा प्रयास करेंगे। यू नो इंग्लिश वेरी मच, इट्स ओके, बट वी शुड नॉट यूज लैटिन वर्ड्स। जो ओरिजिन शब्द है, जिसका उद्गार हुआ है, वो ऐसे शब्दों का हम लोग प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे। बट वी शुड यूज कॉमन एंड वेरी यूज्ड, दैट इज डेली यूज्ड। प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली। वी शुड यूज कॉमन और very used, daily used words. This is in vocab, that is in market we can say, or that is in the textbook. That word should be used for better understanding. We should mention date, address, as well as salutation, etc. If you forget, you are not going to ensure good marks. Date should be mentioned, address should be mentioned, salutation. This is the process of writing letter. We can't keep away this from letter. That's why we have to mention. And last,
सजना तेरे लिए सजना, ये चूड़ी कंगना बस तेरे लिए।
should be very busy. Understandable. So that the reader can understand English, your whatever you are going to write or whatever you have written. These are the main function we should keep in our mind. Just in few seconds, I would like to give you a platform, your format, so that you can follow. Ready? May I have this? Ready? I would like to give you format. That is official letter. Please take down this one. This is very important task for writing letter. Official letter. It will include 10 marks. If you follow each and every step, certainly you are going to ensure highest marks in the exam. When I was a student, I tried again and again to write letters. That's why I had ensured the highest marks in English language in my academic record. Listen, this is the page. Suppose this is the annual exam and this has come to you question paper, answer paper, and you are going to write letter. At first, you have to mention your self-address. Self-address. हिंदी में थोड़ा समझने का प्रयास करेंगे। स्वयं का कहां से लिख रहे हैं, जो कि एग्जाम में मेंशन रहेगा। हम लोग देखते हैं गुरु नानक नगर, धनबाद, लालपुर चौक, रांची, कोई भी एड्रेस है जहां से आप लिख रहे हैं, तो सेल्फ एड्रेस। इसके हम लोग एक डेट लगाएंगे जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसके बाद वी हैव टू राइट टू डिजाइनेशन, टू आफ्टर दिस डिजाइनेशन whom you are going to write to the dot designation, maybe anything. After this you have to mention subjects in one sentence or one step. As far as possible you have to present subject in very clear way, so that the reader can understand in one glance. इतना सुंदर इसमें सब्जेक्ट का वर्णन होना चाहिए कि पूरी कहानी अंदर में क्या है वो समझ में आ जाना चाहिए, एक लाइन में पूरी बात समझ में आ जाए। इसके बाद आप सर, आपको मैडम, whatever you want you can write. If you are going to write a female, you have to mention madam. If you are going to male, you have to mention sir. After this, now we have to present everything whatever you want to say. Next one step we can keep away and we have to write. After this we can writers who has written this letter. That's why salutation. Yours, dot, anything, name, sign, mobile, whatever you now want, you can mention. That's why I would like to give one a step, so that you have to mention. This is the address, date, to the subject, whatever you want. This is the body. Now, who has written? Yours truly. Whatever you want to write, name, that's email. And certainly you are going to ensure good marks. This is the best pattern. And this comes under official letter also. I hope in the next class we will try to write a letter, and I will write a letter for you all, so that we can see all these things in the letter and you can understand in this way, and this will be very fruitful. Please wait for next. Thank you very much. See you again. Thank you.